trouble for Andhra Pradesh former Minister Jogi Ramesh. SIT widens probe in adulterated liquor case. SIT, Excise and Cops raid Jogi Ramesh's house, and SIT officials collect evidence on role of the former minister, who's also a YSRCP leader. SIT to bring former minister to Vijayawada for interrogation. So that's the latest update that is coming in from Andhra Pradesh, where former Minister Jogi Ramesh's house is being raided by the SIT, Excise and the Cops, and as the SIT has widened probe in the adulterated liquor case. So the SIT officials are now collecting evidence on role of the former minister in this case. My colleague Apurva is now joining us with more details on this. Apurva, give us the latest update as far as the raids at the house of Jogi Ramesh is concerned.
Well, Anjali, what we are getting to learn is that, the SIT officials have picked up the former minister there, Jogi Ramesh. Not only that, they have also picked up several people connected to this adulterated liquor scam. Remember, this has been a major talking point here in Andhra Pradesh, with several leaders who have come out and have been named by the SIT during the course of investigation that has been going on right now. What we have gotten to know is that now there have been several people who have been picked up by the SIT officials, including the former minister there, and they will be brought to Vijayawada for questioning as well in relation to the adulterated liquor scam case.
All right, Apurva, thank you so much for getting us those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this. So the former minister, Jogi Ramesh, has been picked up by the cops. In fact, not just him, but his associates have also been picked up, and they are being brought to Vijayawada, where there will be questioning done with them.